Hey, what's up YouTube? My name's Scott and I haven't made a video in a very long time, and maybe I'll make another video telling you about why that is, but just basically I've been very busy and had a lot going on. But anyway, I was just spinning some records and something happened, and I think that maybe you guys can benefit from it. So what happened was I just recently got this record, and it's a really good record. It's the House That Tracks built, and it wasn't cheap. It was a pretty expensive record, but what'll happen is that when I put it on the turntable to play it, it doesn't go on because the hole isn't big enough for the spindle. It doesn't work the other way either. So I just wanted to share with you a trick that I do. Just keep this pocket knife right here in this drawer. And what it's for is when I get a record in that this happens, I just take it and I real gently take the knife, and you always have to be careful when you have a knife around records. You just real lightly go like this a couple times on this side, like that, blow it off. And then do it again on this side. This is the other side. It might not work on the first try. I might have to go back and hit it again, but I can already feel that's better. Let's see. Ooh, already better, but it still needs a little bit more because it's pretty tight. You just barely do it. I mean, thing is, if you mess this up and you make it too big, you can't undo that. But until you do that, you can take away a tiny bit of material on each side until it perfectly slips on. See, that's about perfect. Nice. Cool. Well, that's my tip. That'll save you some money, because thing is, if this record got sold to someone else, then they might have thought, oh boy, I can't even use this record. By the time you push it down, when you get a record that's that tight on the spindle, when you push it down, usually that'll force it to warp, and then, you know, just temporarily though, just because of the forces being exerted on a disc. So thought that would be useful to you guys, and I hope it is. And yeah, have a good day. Bye. Oh yeah.